Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own hummus. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, a quarter cup of tahini, the juice of 1 fresh lemon, and 1 small clove of garlic. These simple components are all you need to create a truly authentic and flavorful dip. Make sure your chickpeas are well drained and rinsed before you begin the blending process for the best results. Now, let's get blending. Place your rinsed chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic into a food processor. For that extra smooth texture, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water. You might even try adding a small ice cube. Process the mixture for several minutes, scraping down the sides as needed until it reaches a wonderfully creamy and uniform consistency. Patience here is key for perfect hummus. Once your hummus is beautifully smooth, it's time to fine-tune the flavor. Taste it and adjust the seasonings. A pinch of salt and a dash of ground cumin can really enhance the taste. Transfer your finished hummus to a serving bowl. For a classic presentation, drizzle generously with good quality olive oil and sprinkle with a little paprika. It's perfect served with warm pita bread, crunchy vegetables, or even as a spread. To elevate your homemade hummus, consider these tips. Using a high-quality tahini makes a noticeable difference in flavor. For an incredibly silky texture, take the extra step to peel the chickpeas before blending. Adding a small ice cube during processing can also contribute to that desired creaminess. Your delicious homemade hummus will stay fresh in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.